you?
Are
After
you?
that, I talking down Paris here. I download him.
Mama, bagong gising lang po kayo? Papa. Papa.
Tita Marce.
Nurse po kayo uwi.
Yung anak lalaki naman.
Dito po. Gusto ko po dito tambay pa.
Aray ko, tambanera.
Oo na. Tanugin,
Lola po si Lola.
tanugin Paros game. Talking Atia.
Ali. Cellphone.
Ano ulam natin, girl? Balot na talaga.
Nana mabanong ka ito ko.
Kaya ko five.
Anong ulam natin? Huwag kang tangati ka, may bibili pa kahapon, bobo ka.
Ano ako?
Sabi niya kahapon, pag-uwi namin galing sa palengke.
Mabay ko
May lagyan togi, bili tayo. Sarap. Kabalo na lang. Togi po ba? Ito pagtapon niya, meron pala dito sa bahay.
Talking Tam.
Ang ulam natin, girl. Hindi ko nga ni alam. Sabi ni Bobon, kagabi pa, crispy pata ka naman daw, aalis ka naman na daw.
Ay, snack pala kayo. Mukha.
Ay, di pata, lahok sa mundo. Na. Oo nga, di ba ya?
Bili ka na muna, bayaran na lang kita.
Yeah. Tulog pa ba si Ali? Hindi kasama dito. Andito si ate niya. Wala siya dito. Wala kang kakulitan. Ano? Dapat lang sa'yo yan. At kay Lason din. Yang ka, mag-isa ka. Yang ka na, boy. Sabi mo kay Ali. Yang ka na, boy. Atin. Dali. Pares kayong lason eh. Naglalason ng kayong dalawa eh.
Diyan ka na, boy.
Be. Si Bobon, tumawag na naman kay Mother Earth. Sira na ang cellphone talaga, natuluyan na. Sabi ni Mama kahapon, pabili ka na kay ate mo, habang naandyan pa, yan ay ata ay uuwi na. Sabi ni Bobon, huwag na nga, kasi nga gusto ko talaga magmotor mo. Bigyan mo na lang akong pampagawa. Pwede pa naman ko, papalitan lang ko ng LCD. Motor talaga ang gusto ko, sabi naman daw ni Mama. Eh, tsaka ka na bumili. Ayoko nga magpalit ng bagong cellphone. Motor nga talaga kasi ang gusto ko. Sabi niya ganun. Tapos sabi ko, bilang mo na kasi ng motor, nang may service na kami at yung motor mo dito ay may sakit na naman. Ipapadala ko na to kay Tami. Nakatambak na dito, wala kaming service. Sabi, ay kukuha ko naman siya pero pag uwi ko na, wag na muna ngayon at ako magbabayad kay Am. Sabi nga, papadalan ko na nga lang ng papagawa ng cellphone na tayo talaga magpalit ng cellphone ng kapatid mo.
Ayoko na. Gawa ako dito.
Saan ba yun? Sa
If you ever see this warning sign glowing beside the road at night, don't stop your car.
Wait, why would Poppy's face be placed on a real warning sign? And why do people say they hear laughing near this road after
To
midnight?
explain the creepy truth behind this sign, but first, if you love this dancing cat, like and subscribe. Look at this. Bird didn't hesitate to save the cat from the storm last night. He's like a guardian from the animal kingdom. But you help them comment, yes if you do. Jesus loves you. This poppy sign was placed there to help drivers slow down at night and pay attention to the road. The road had many accidents before, because drivers were speeding and not watching for people crossing at night. The real reason for the sign was simple: to keep drivers careful and help protect people crossing the street safely. If you ever see this warning, can someone help me, please? I haven't eaten anything today.
Miss Emma,
Yes, myself.
you have been chosen for the selection of the new Princess of the Kingdom.
What?
Come with us now.
What's a homeless woman doing here? What awful clothes.
I know I'm poor.
You must have gotten the address wrong.
Go away. Maybe I should really go.
Candidates, the prince will receive you in the hall now.
The prince is coming.
Excuse me! This guy is eating fruit without paying!
I'm sorry, not in my store.
That's against store policy. Have a nice